Tara, sama kayo, sakay tayo ng eroplano. Touchdown, Siargao! Day 1, mag-relax muna tayo dito sa Cloud9 Siargao. Kain tayo at chill muna. Dinner tayo dito sa Mama's Grill, kilalang restaurant dito sa Siargao. Day 2, dito naman tayo sa Cloud9 sa General Luna, mag-surfing. After surfing, island hopping naman tayo. Rent tayo ng boat for 1,500. Masyal tayo sa mga isla. First stop natin, Naked Island. Naked Island dahil wala kang masisilungan dito.
Papunta na po kami sa next stop na po island. Papaluto ng lunch.
Hindi, kagabi Second stop natin, Daku Island. Relax muna tayo at dito mag-lunch bago pumunta sa next destination. After natin mabusog, punta na tayo sa ating last destination ng island hopping natin. Last part ng island hopping natin, tinatawag nilang Secret Island. Secret dahil nakalubog siya sa dagat at mga boatmen lang ang may alam ng lugar. Day 3, rent na naman tayo ng boat para sa Sugba Lagoon.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me?
Next destination natin, Pamumoan Beach. Dito, relax muna tayo at mag-lunch.
My drifting, tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and now we made for ourselves.
Lipat naman tayo sa last destination ng boat ride natin, Kauhagan Island.
In my life, have I seen the sky light up like this? I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist.
After ng boat ride natin, lipat naman tayo sa next destination natin.
Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me.
Nandito na tayo sa final destination ng day 3 natin, ang Magpupungko Beach.
and take me home. I knew it was
Tuwing hapon lang open sa public ang lugar na to dahil sa umaga high tide. Bawal pa maglangoy.
oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this.
Tuwing hapon lang kapag low tide na lumalabas ang mini pool na to.
Wonder if you know you're
Sulit ang bakasyon dito sa Siargao. Ang daming pwedeng gawin.
when I can, and I only hope you are.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos.